So on number 80 here, we have a situation where we have a polynomial with 4 terms here, right? It's a third degree polynomial, but notice how it's not in standard form. In standard form, we haven't harped on standard form yet, and we've been able to express our answers in various formats, right? As long as everything's simplified. But here's where standard form is handy, because when we're doing long division, we want to start with our highest term, and so when we set up our long division here, I'm going to put the divisor in standard form in order of descending degree, right? So first degree goes first, and then the constant comes at the end there. So I'm going to put y plus 6. So I rearrange that, and then I'm going to rearrange this as well, the dividend. I'm going to put y cubed first because that's the highest degree term. Then I'm going to put 8y squared. And then I'm going to put 14y, which of course is y to the first. And then I'm going to put the plus 12 there, okay? So we have our dividend and our divisor in descending order from in terms of degree. And so in other words, they're in standard form. So that's important. All right, so I'm going to try to do this one without showing any work on the side over here, okay? So let's see if we can get this, and hopefully this will become easier and easier for you to do as well, right? And you'll be more efficient. So I'm going to do y cubed divided by y. So that's y squared, right? So then I'm going to multiply. Y squared by y is y cubed. Y squared by 6 is 6y squared, okay? Then I'm going to change the signs. So positives turn to negatives. And so y cubed minus y cubed cancels out. 8y squared minus 6y squared is 2y squared. Okay, then we bring down plus 14y here. All right. So now I'm going to divide 8y squared divided by y, and that is positive. Or excuse me, I'm sorry, messed up there. So we're going to do 2y squared divided by y, and that's going to be 2y, right? And then we distribute 2y by y, because it's 2y squared, and 2y times 6 is going to be 12y. Okay. So now we subtract, which means we change the signs here. So this is going to turn to a negative. This will also turn to a negative. 2y squared minus 2y squared cancels out. 14y minus 12y is 2y. Bring down the 12. All right, and then we divide again. So 2y divided by y is 2. And then we distribute. 2 by y is 2y, and 2 by 6 is 12. So we have another situation here where we have no remainder, right? So when we change the signs here, this will end up being a negative, this will end up being a negative, and these both cancel out. So we have remainder 0, okay? So our answer is going to be y squared plus 2y plus 2, remainder 0.